Hey everyone, my name is Brandon Grubeski and I'm the Director of Membership here at ATD, and I wanted to say welcome to the ATD family. Your ATD member experience completely revolves around you and your needs. With open access to relevant resources and personalized content recommendations, ATD is your professional development partner at any stage in your career. Professional tier members will be able to use tools, analyses, and insights through unlimited TD at Work guides, research white papers, case studies, webinars, and a growing library of ready-to-use templates and tools. Professional Plus tier members can dive even deeper and expand their knowledge base with everything that our professional members get, plus a library of 99 micro courses. You can learn more about your benefits by visiting td.org/benefits center. While you're on our website, make sure you complete your profile to enhance your personalized recommendations and ensure you're receiving the communications you want to receive based on your interests and needs. Finally, I encourage you to explore the newest part of our website, My ATD. Whether you're looking to assess your skills against the TD capability model, explore more of your member benefits, or if you're curious about folks in your network and what they've been up to, be sure to check out td.org/myatd. And if you ever have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. We would be more than happy to chat with you. You can contact our customer care team at customercare@td.org or by calling 1-800-628-2783. Thanks again for being an ATD member and part of this global community and for doing your part to create a world that works better. Have a great day.